Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. What time is? It's kitchen time. Welcome to Bosnian high quality kitchen. My name is Fatih Dagvendic and we prepare today smashed potato. Ingredients for smashed potato: 800 gram potato, salt, 40 gram butter, and 50 milliliter milk. Preparing mashed potato: cut the peeled potatoes into cubes, put them in boiling salted water and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the potatoes are soft. Drain the potatoes and make a pool with a potato masher. Add butter, hot milk and mix everything well. Serve mashed potatoes with meat dishes with sauces and various roasts. Fantastic! Thank you for watching and please subscribe